All right, so we're out on another ride. I'm gonna start making some more videos. Haven't made some in a while. Want to make some more long form type videos. If you guys have any questions or anything you want to see on a video, let me know. I will do my best to answer any questions or make some demonstrative type content that'll show you more features on these bikes. I primarily ride the Frigo X2PRO, which I'm on right now. It's my go-to bike. There's many reasons for that, and I will cover those reasons somewhere down the line. Some of them in this video. It's gonna be a little bit of a mellow ride today. I did something to my hand. I have no idea what it is, but I can barely, it's something with the top of my hand and like the bones. I don't know if it's some kind of tendonitis, arthritis. I have no idea, but I can't move this thing very quickly. It's very slow to react, so I'm not gonna be riding super hard. I'm not gonna be pulling on this thing too hard. I got cruising on the 3-wheel. He's stoked. I think I see that guy at the grocery store every once in a while. What's up, boys? No, but if you don't have a car and you need transportation, this is an obvious no-brainer. Especially when you can go to our website, you can get a payment plan. If you don't even have any money, if you have a job, you can probably get one. One good thing about these midday rides, nobody's out. You're just chilling, cruising. But yeah, so this is the Frigo X2PRO. It's a 30 amp hour, 60 volt battery, 6,000 peak watt motor. It'll go about 50 miles an hour. I've had people get it up to 55. I think the highest I've gotten is like 52. But you know, if you're looking for a high performing bike, but you still have the pedals, this is the one. This is a great bike. And the reason why I emphasize the pedals is because when you have these, the cops don't mess with you like they normally would if you're on a Suron or Talaria or something to that effect. So there are a lot of bonuses to having the pedals. And the cool thing with this bike is you're not really sacrificing too much performance. You still get the speed, still get that low end torque, but you got the pedals to keep you out of trouble. If you want to get one of these, go to our website, throttle1.com, and we also offer payment plans. You can select the buy now, pay later banner on the front of the home page, and that will give you an approval code, and hopefully you'll be riding one of these things soon. Yeah, as you can see, this thing just like gets up and goes. You're like 35 and like nothing. All right, we gotta be careful here because we got this fool. Make sure we don't cause an accidente. Yeah, so you can literally get up to like 30, 40 miles an hour on this thing with basically no effort. 3,000 watt motor with the 6,000 watt peak. Full suspension, front and rear, both adjustable. You got 7-speed Shimano gears on here, which you're probably not going to use very much. You got 3 speed modes. Yeah, guys, throttle1.com. All right, you guys, so the question still remains. Is this bike worth it? And the answer is yes, absolutely. It's a high-performance bike. You're going to be able to go 50 plus miles per hour. I like that it does have the pedals because you're going to get harassed by the cops a whole lot less, which I think everybody wants that. The value, you're going to pay double the price for the same performance with different brands, where the Frigo X2PRO is coming in right around $2,200. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to reach out via our website, throttle1.com.